Technopreneurship faces several challenges, and the most significant problem is the speed at which technology is developing, which necessitates ongoing innovation and adaptability. Additionally, tech firms may find it difficult to obtain resources and finance, which limits their ability to grow. Significant problems may include market saturation, cybersecurity issues, and intellectual property concerns. Furthermore, guaranteeing equitable tech- technical solution and closing the digital continue to be urgent challenges. In order to address these problems and create a healthy technopreneurship landscape, policies that encourage innovation and cooperative efforts between the public and the private sectors are necessary. Technopreneurship is an important engine of economic growth and innovation because it enables entrepreneurs to introduce new products and services to the market and create new jobs. It is expanding industry that provides several opportunities for the people with the necessary talent and vision and give people the chance to launch and expand their own companies which can result in both personal and financial fulfillment.